How to enhance video quality in CapCut PC. For that, first of all, open up CapCut application and then create a new project. After that, import the video you would like to enhance and then drag it to your timeline. Now, select the video and then you need to go ahead and simply tap on adjust. And just like that, you will be able to find all of the tools like brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpen, highlights to make your footage look even clearer and more vibrant. If your version of CapCut include the Enhance or AI Video Enhancer feature, you can simply go ahead and tap on this little icon, tap on allow, and then the CapCut will process the clip automatically for improved quality. Once you're happy with your result, tap on export. Choose the highest resolution available, such as 180p or 4K, and then select the high bit rate for best output quality. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.